Hello students, I am Devalina Hazarika, Head of the Department of Management. Today I am going to discuss about the subject Research Methodology. Today's module contains Introduction, Definition of Research, Characteristics of Research, Objectives of Research, Types of Research, and Research Process. So let's start with the meaning or the introduction of research. Research is search for knowledge. A research begins with a question or a problem. So the purpose of research is to find solutions through the application of systematic and scientific methods. So research is a systematic approach to purposeful investigation. The various writers have defined research in different ways. So according to Redman and Morris, research is a systematized effort to gain new knowledge. Another definition of research is the systematic process of collecting and analyzing information in order to increase our understanding of the phenomena about which we are concerned or interested. That means the research is to research from the available information so that we can get a substantial knowledge about certain situation or a certain problem. So, research possesses some specific characteristics, like the research is directed towards the solution of a problem. Research should always depend on logic and objectives. It should always be reliable, authentic, and valid. The research should focus on accuracy. It should use the scientific methodology and instrument. The research should emphasize on recording and reporting of data. So on the basis of these characteristics, so let's find out the objectives of research. The main objective of research is to find out answer to the questions through the application of systematic and scientific way. So there is a specific purpose behind its research study. And the purpose is to discover the answers to the question with an application of scientific procedures. So the objectives of research can be to gain familiarity with the phenomena, or to portray accurately the characteristics of a particular individual or a situation or a group. Another objective of research can be to determine the frequency with which something occurs or with which it is associated with. Again, another objective of research can be to know the cause-effect relationship between variables. Now let's try to find out some basic types of research. The types of research can be classified on the basis of application, on the basis of objectives, or on the basis of type of information. Now let's try to understand the type of research on the basis of application. Now it can be classified as pure research and applied research. So an applied research is an action-based research, and it is aims at finding a solution for an immediate problem facing a society or an industry or an organization. But a pure research or a fundamental research is mainly associated with generalization and with the formulation of a theory. So, pure research is like research to find out the natural phenomena or something relating to pure mathematics. And some business problems study is, we can say, is an applied research. Now, on the basis of objectives, the research can be exploratory, descriptive research, correlation research, or explanatory research. Descriptive research includes survey or a fact-finding investigation which aim at describing the characteristics of individual, situation, or a group. So the main purpose of descriptive research is to describe the state of affair existing in a present situation. Similarly, a correlation research is to find out the relationship between different factors. Again, and explanatory research is to find out a certain factors for a certain situation. Another type of research classification can be on the basis of the type of information required. Like it can be quantitative research or qualitative research. The quantitative research is based on the measurement of quantity or amount. That means it is applicable to a phenomena which can be expressed in terms of quantity. On the other hand, the qualitative research is based on the qualitative aspect. It is relating to, you can say, the human behavior, or even to find out consumers' approach towards a certain thing, like this. So we will going to discuss in detail about the types of research in our subsequent modules. So after the type of research, let's try to find out what is a research process. So research process is how the research is being done. Like, it starts with identifying the problem. Next, after identifying the research problem, then comes in the reviewing of literature. Then the third stage is setting the research objective or the questions and the hypothesis that need to study. The fourth point is choosing the study design. After that, we need to decide on the sample design. After sample design, the next is collecting data. So after collection of data, the next research process is processing and analyzing data. And after analyzing the data, last stage is writing the report. So this is the different stages of research process. So thank you for watching this.